Okay, just showing the patch and how it works. So we'll start with a simple test. So this is a saved eForm, and here's the fix. So here's the warning that they're going to get. Now this is, some sample text that's been saved, but now we can't edit because it's broken with the old eForm. So they can click here, and that would be forwarded to the new eForm. So you can see the eForm add. And it will just populate the text area, actually, which, technically this is an iframe, I guess, but it populates this with the data that they would want, and they can go ahead and just add anything they want here, and it will work. So if they want to add patient gender there, you can see it, add it, and all is good. So now, but what I want to show too, it also works with a completely broken letter. So this letter is an older one that's been saved, and it's completely broken, but if there is a value saved in the text area that is set to display none, by clicking here, it will pass the value. So now in this example, you can see that in the query string that there was no value in this one, but I'll show that it will work simply by using Firebug. And if I just go to the form, scroll around to the bottom of the form, add in some sample data. This would be as if the data was already there if there's a value, but you couldn't see it because it wouldn't show it because for some reason this is broken. So there's some values there. I'll just turn off Firebug because it takes too long for it to render in the next screen. So click here, you'll see that it passes that sample data. So if that did exist but you couldn't see it, it will still pass that data over to the new form for them to add. Now this will be based on the new template or the patched version, and then they can just go ahead and just add whatever they want, patient name, age, all that type of stuff, and then they can just go ahead and save it. And so now what I want to show is just the last thing was that right here. So I'm just changing this just because this has been, it'll work and it's fine. But it's not what we want because this is actually a saved eForm with already the patched version, and this is triggering. So for testing and sampling, I had it appear, but now I'm just updating the JavaScript so that doesn't appear for the newest version of it. So because if they want it, they can just go here and they can start adding stuff and then save it. And so there's no reason why that forwards them to the eForm for them to add a new one. So, but anyways, that's it. It works.